Welcome to Session Self Tutorials. Hello, fellow therapists. I'm Ian, a practicing psychotherapist, and I use Sessions Health each day in my own private practice. In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at the insurance features that you can navigate to using the left-hand nav. When we first click this insurance link, we'll see three tabs at the top. This first tab, Pending Claims. What this does is show us any dates of service that we've provided our services but have yet to create an electronic claim. So this is only going to show sessions where the client is of type insurance. And so in this case, we can see the clients that we've provided services to, the service dates, the billable amount, the payer, who provided the service, and then the ability to add a claim since no claim has yet been created for these eligible services. There's some filters on this, so we can see whether or not notes have been completed for these sessions. And of course, if the notes haven't been completed, then we might not want to submit a claim. We can uncheck that status and it's going to show us all available sessions. We can also filter by the rendering provider. So we can look at all providers, or we can narrow this down and just show specific practitioners. So I want to show some claims. And if I want to create a claim from this data service, I can just click the Add button. And we can see here is this data service. We can see the service provided. We can see the billable amount, any copay, and there's also the status that's letting us know that the notes haven't been done yet for this particular session. We can select if there's multiple insurance policies, we can select from that. Otherwise, we can just click Create Claim. Now, that session is gone from this view because there isn't a pending claim any longer. We've created a claim. So we can go to our Claims tab. And here we're going to see a list of all of our claims. We can filter by status, pending, which means that the claim has not yet been submitted, canceled, submitted, processed, or rejected. We can also filter by payer, and we can also filter by provider. So in this case, here's the claim that we just created, and we can see it's in pending status. So if we wanted to submit this claim, we could just click on it and click Submit. Once we've received remittance or EOBs back on a claim, we can find those payments on the Payments tab. In this case, there's no payment showing. I'm in our demo account, and so live remittance does not come back, but we can manually add payments from this screen as well. So for example, let's say an EOB comes back from a payer and it has multiple dates of service on it. We can filter by those services, and then we can select which ones were on the EOB. We can enter whatever information was on that EOB. We can calculate the write-off afterward. And then we can also enter the payment date, and we can put any payment number in here and then click Save. And now we've applied that EOB to the associated claims. We can see our payment here, the date that it was entered, that it was a manual versus automatic remittance back from the clearinghouse, the payment date, EFT number, the amount, and here's all of the associated claims for that payment. If you have automatic remittance coming back on your claim, those payments are also going to show up here, and they wouldn't say manual. That would indicate that it has come back via remittance through the clearinghouse. That concludes the insurance tutorial. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to us at support@sessionshealth.com.